Spark Cognition Maritime Shipping Advisor is a platform for shippers who transport mass quantities of crude oil and oil products by sea. Maritime Shipping Advisor optimizes fleet utilization, significantly reducing the cost of shipping and increasing profitability by matching cargo to available vessels across the fleet, optimizing shipping schedules, and reducing transportation costs. Let's see it in action. Here's the cargo requirement page. We see all trades that have been uploaded, but haven't yet been scheduled. To create the fleet plan, we simply go to the fleet page. Here we see the historic plan that was created the last time the system was used, shown in a Gantt-like format. To update the plan based on current conditions and variables, we select Calculate. Maritime Shipping Advisor now executes numerous calculations in the background. Are vessel dimensions compatible with port restrictions? Does the vessel have enough capacity to carry the product volume? From a contract point of view, is the vessel available? Can the vessel reach the next port in time, and at what speed? Does the vessel have enough bunker on board, or would it need to refuel? If transporting different types of products, would cleaning be required between voyages? For unavailable vessels, is there sufficient time to perform the necessary resolutions? For example, can it reach a dry dock in time? Based on these variables and more, voyages are eliminated from consideration. The plan is optimized to minimize the fleet cost, and cargo is assigned to vessels. Here we see the resulting plan. With one click, Maritime Shipping Advisor has evaluated millions of potential plans and has selected the optimal, most cost-effective option in a matter of seconds. Note the trades that cannot be fulfilled by any of the vessels in the fleet are assigned an artificial spot vessel. Maritime Shipping Advisor alerts us to this fact, and if we want to fulfill the trade, we can search for an actual spot vessel immediately. At the same time, all KPIs and cost details are at our fingertips. There's no need to transfer data between systems to do the cost calculations. We simply click on a shipment to show the detailed costs for every action taken by the vessel, including cleaning and waiting, and all cost elements are summarized within the total cost for the schedule. After closing the sidebar, we can see the individual vessel utilizations. At the top of the screen, figures are aggregated for the entire fleet. Since shipping operations change constantly, even the most meticulous plans quickly fail to reflect the latest conditions. Unforeseen factors such as mechanical breakdowns, bad weather, and port delays, among others, can greatly impact the actual voyage. But with Maritime Shipping Advisor, we can ensure that our planning is connected to the current operational setting. We can manually control all of this from the Shipment Operations page, which shows the exact same information as the Fleet page. For example, let's assume a loading has completed early. We select Finished and update with the actual completion date. We see the updated schedule on the Chart page. We run the optimizer again to ensure the future voyages for all vessels utilize the most feasible and optimal plan. The early loading and reassignment of future cargo has now lowered our plan cost by 1.6%. This illustrates the importance of having scheduling and operations connected. The simplicity of Maritime Shipping Advisor's optimization enables continuous scheduling, making it easy for plans to be revised and updated as often as necessary. This ensures that the most cost-effective decisions can be made. In summary, the back end employs a novel and proprietary computational knowledge graph that models operations. It enables continuous advanced optimization and computes fleet costs and utilization scenarios, and incorporates a complex rules engine to deal with a large set of business rules. To learn more about how Spark Cognition Maritime Shipping Advisor can optimize your shipping operations, contact Spark Cognition today.
Spark Cognition, AI perfected for business.